Hi students, happy Friday. We're going to talk today about our lesson. It's called Lesson 3, History of the Southern Colonies. Today you must do slides 1 through 5. First, as you can see on the screen, you're going to read the article History of the Southern Colonies, which is on slides A and B. With a partner who I'll be assigning you in Zoom today, you'll complete the facts about the Southern Colonies worksheet. You'll use the information you learned in the article to list 3 facts about each Southern colony. So let's take a look at what the article looks like. It's like this. So when you open it and you think, oh my goodness, that is way too small. I cannot read that. If you go ahead up here and click on the zoom button and click zoom in, it will make it larger for you. If that's still too small, again, I can click that zoom button and zoom in some more. If I'm like, oh my goodness, that's way too zoomed, I can click that again and zoom out. And then I could scroll through this as I'm reading this article with my partner. So we'll be reading on slide 2 and slide 3, and then this is the page you'll be completing with your partner. It says facts about the Southern Colonies. You'll use the information from the article, and again, the article was on slides 2 and 3, to write 3 facts about each colony. So you can see here, again, we have those yellow boxes. You'll click on those yellow boxes to enter 1, 2, 3 facts about Maryland you learned from the article, 1, 2, 3 facts about North Carolina, 3 facts about Virginia and Georgia. So that is the component you'll be completing with your partner. Once you have finished that part with your partner, then please return back to our main classroom and return out of your breakout room. After you've done that, let's go ahead and go back to our directions to see what we'll do next. When you are done with the partner work, writing your facts about Southern colonies, you're going to go to step 3, which is on your own. You're going to complete the comprehension questions worksheet, and you want to look back through the article and use text evidence to answer each question. Answer thoughtfully and with complete sentences. So let's take a look at what that looks like. That is on slide 5. And I can see it says History of the Southern Colonies Comprehension Questions on the top. And it tells me within the text, what is Roanoke Colony? And I would type my answer here. Again, if I don't remember what's Roanoke, I would refer back to the article and find the section. Oop, here it is, the Mystery of Roanoke. So I would reread that if I need to find the answer to that question. Then I'm going to come on back down here and look at my second question. Explain the hardships that befell Jamestown Colony. Again, I'm going to scroll back up to the article. Oh, and here we see Jamestown and the Virginia Company. So I would do a second read of that section to be able to answer the second question. So questions 1 through 4, you can see, are within the text, so you can look back at the articles. Questions 5 and 6 are beyond the text. So these are questions that you will not find literally in the text. So question 5, for example, says, what did you learn about the culture of the Southern colonies? So here you would click, and this is your response. It's not going to be in the text. So what did you learn about the culture of the Southern colonies? 6 is, what is the history of the Southern colonies? Why is the history of Southern colonies important today? And then the last question, 7, is about the text. How did the paintings and illustrations add to the quality of the article? So that would be referring, for example, here's a painting of slaves on a Southern plantation in 1790. We have a painting here of Queen Consort Henrietta Maria. And then in the article, we have 2 more paintings on the first page. So you want to answer all of those questions. And again, at the end, you'll be turning this in via Schoology. If you're wondering, where do I find this assignment? Let me review that for you. You would go, of course, to my Schoology history course. When you open it up, it looks like this. There are 2 ways to find it. The easiest is to look here in the upcoming assignments on the right-hand side. And I can see here I have Lesson 3, History of the Southern Colonies, and I can see it's due Monday, August 24th by 8:30 a.m. I'm hoping that you'll finish this in class today and be able to turn it in today, but if you do not, you'll need to complete it over the weekends. So again, it's here in the upcoming, and it's due Monday by 8:30 a.m. But again, you should be able to complete this today. Another place to find this is in the Colonies folder. Everything you've been doing for the Colonies unit is here. Lesson 3, History of the Southern Colonies. I also can click here to open my copy of the assignments. If you have any questions today, please make sure that you raise your hand and unmute yourself and ask that question, or you can ask me a question in the chats. Thank you, and hope you learned lots today about the history of the Southern Colonies.